Welcome to another section of our video. So now I just made an fresh installation. If you don't know how to do installation, check our previous video. You see how to make the installation. Still the same process. So now I name the folder Ecommerce store. Then I will come to this place. Click on English United States. Click on continue. Now we're working on e-commerce. I name the folder Ecommerce store. So site that I'll say my store username MattTechies. So I've entered the password I want to use. Can use any password of your choice. Then MattTechies. Then install. We'll wait for it to install. Okay, so I can just click on login to login here. Let's login. Now there are some differences when it comes to e-commerce platform compared to just a blogging platform. So e-commerce now, because by default WordPress is made for blogging, to be able to make it perform other tasks like e-commerce where you're able to add products, pricing and so on, we have to add that feature and that ability to it. It's not there by default, and that's where plugin comes in. If you remember my explanation of plugin, say plugin is like added features that you add to a particular let's say hardware or software to make it perform or have extra features or ability. So first of all, let's install a theme that I have in mind. I'll go to appearance, I'll go to themes. Okay, I'll click on add theme. Then let's start for shopper or shopping cart. Shopping cart, let's see. Shopping cart. No, that's not it. Shopping cart. Okay, this is it. So click on install. Very nice template. I'm using this because it's very easy to get the demo, so we'll just work on the site by importing the demo. Let's see, there's an issue here. So we successfully installed the theme. I had issues due to network, but that has been rectified. So just click on activate. Now we have this. Okay, next thing now, because if I just go to my visit site, now see the appearance we have now. Okay, but now it's not yet functioning like an e-commerce, like a store yet, until we add the necessary plugin needed. So the standard and most used plugin when it comes to WordPress, e-commerce on WordPress, is WooCommerce. So I'll look for plugins here. Click on add plugin. Let's search for WooCommerce. Type WooCommerce. Why is it not coming up? Okay, so we have this. Why did it leave again? Okay, is it? So click on install. So this is it. WooCommerce. Over 7 million plus active installation. Okay, we successfully installed it. Now let's activate. We have successfully activated it. I will skip this now. Then in this, let's go to my store. So here we are. Now we've installed e-commerce, WooCommerce plugin on our store, so now it can perform and function like a store. Now let's get our demo. So I'll go to appearance, go to themes. So now it's telling me that I need to download demo import plugin, shopping cart. So we have to get the demo, so let's download that so we can get the demo. So the plugin is even identical with the plugin that works with the one we use for the blog. To get the demo, so let's just install this. It's download. Okay, it's downloading already. Okay, the download is done already. So I'll come back to themes here. So it is a plugin we downloaded, so we need to go back to plugins and install that plugins. Add plugin. Then we'll click on upload plugin, then choose file, then should be this, click on open, then click on install. Okay, now let's activate the plugin. Okay, we've installed that. So all we need to do is just go to appearance again, then you see import demo data. So all those plugins have different ways they behave, but they are mostly similar. The one we installed now, we still saw the demo under appearance and import demo data. Some might not be under appearance, can just be here. And these are options here, menus here. So this is in order appearance. So let's see, we have the sample, we have the sample, we have the sample. Both of them are not free, so let's go with this. You can always click on preview demo to see the demo. For me, I will import the demo. So let's wait while it imports. So say continue and import. So let's give it some time so it can import. Okay, I'm done with the imports. It's showing this error, but let's say it's not something serious. So let's check out. Now it's showing visit site and visit store. I'll show you the reason for that later on, but for now, let's click on visit store. And let's see what we have. Wow. So we have of our beautiful store. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.